When working with numbers, a concept you need to understand is narrowing. And that happens when you initialize a variable of a smaller type using a larger type. Here's an example. Let's declare an integer called number and set it to 1 million. Now, to make this code more readable, we can separate these digits using a single quote. That's better. Now let's declare a short called another and set it to number. Now we immediately get this warning saying narrowing conversion from int to sign type short is implementation defined. I know, it's a mouthful. Basically, the warning is saying that because we're converting an integer to a short, this conversion is a narrowing conversion. So it's going to result in narrowing down our number, which is 1 million. So now if we print another and run our program, we see 16,000. This is the result of narrowing conversion. Now, obviously, if we used a brace initializer here, we could prevent this. Our code wouldn't even get compiled. So this is another benefit of the brace initializer, okay? Now, what if we do the opposite? What if we declare this number as short and put it in an integer? Now, in this case, we have a warning because this number is too large to fit in a short variable. Because as I told you earlier, using the short data type, we can store numbers from minus 32,000 to plus 32,000. So let's change this to, let's just say 100, and then put it in an integer. Now we can use the brace initializer or the assignment operator. It doesn't really matter. Let's run our program. We get 100. So the opposite is not an issue. So the short type takes 2 bytes. The integer takes 4 bytes. If you store a smaller number in the larger memory space, we're not going to encounter data loss. So the additional bytes in memory are going to be filled with 0.